The VAR file type is usually a variable archive used in gaming mods, like Vertimate. It's basically a zip file. You place it in the game's add-on folder to load the content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the folder. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for VAR problems. See below for my top choice. The VAR extension is a variable data or game modding file containing scripts and assets for customizing software. It allows developers to alter game assets or code to create new user experiences and modified content. The structure varies by game and can range from simple text to complex archives containing folders used for game alteration. VAR files related to game modding often contain text, images, or scripts. The structure and format of the file can vary depending on the specific game and the modding tools used. Some VAR files may be simple text documents, while others may be more complex archives containing multiple files and folders. The VAR format was designed to be handled by my personal programmer from Impact Technologies. The file's internal manifest must be processed by a trusted system-level application. Windows may display simple metadata, but full interpretation depends on relevant applications. To find the correct opener, right-click the VAR file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with my personal programmer first. If it's not present, select a different program and keep testing. If the VAR file won't open, don't panic. Since the VAR file didn't open, we need to address these 3 most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, to view the content, as it is often a plain text variable definition file. Next, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g. Programming IDE data logger that created the VAR file. Finally, check associated program. Launch the original application and use its file, open or import function to load the data file. If no local program recognizes the VAR file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the specialized tools failed, the problem is deeper. Your best option is a universal program like FileMagick. It handles hundreds of formats and can often access content even when Windows cannot. You can download it at filemagick.com. That was the most time-saving solution, like subscribe and fix those files. It's that simple.